Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My topics: what is jihad? Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa sallama taslima kasira. All praise belongs to Allah, whom we praise, seek help and forgiveness. We seek refuge with Allah from the evils within ourselves and from the consequences of our deeds. He whom Allah guides will never have one who will guide him. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah, who has no partners, and I testify that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. May peace and blessings be upon him, upon his family, and all his companions. Dear audience, I intend to speak today on one of the burning topics of that time. I will speak on jihad. This is one of the most misunderstood terms of Islam. The enemies of Islam on one hand raise it in order to malign the peaceful and the peace-loving character of Islam, while on the pure Islamic term to justify their unfair means of violence. In today's talk, I will try my best to explain the reality of jihad. The most prevalent misconception is that jihad means to kill the disbelievers and terrorize the innocent. It is to be clear that Islam can never allow killing of an innocent person. Rather, it regards killing an innocent equal to killing the whole humanity. The Quran says, "Man qatala nafsan bighayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ard, fakannama qatala an-nasa jami'a, wa man ahyaha fakannama ahya an-nasa jami'a." That whoever kills a person not in retaliation for a person killed, nor as a punishment for spreading disorder on the earth, is as if he has killed the whole of humankind, and whoever saves the life of a person is as if he has saved the life of the whole of humankind. So the question is, what is jihad? Jihad is an Arabic word that means to spend every endeavor to strive for the causes of. Jihad is an Arabic word that means to spend every endeavor to strive, while on the pure Islamic term jihad means to strive for the causes of Allah, to struggle one's best to. It is also reported a person came to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asking permission to take part in battle. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him, "Are your parents alive?" He said yes. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Then perform your jihad with him. Start to serve them and bring relief to them." It is also well-known fact that Islam very clearly urges Muslims not to use force to convert people and exercise no compulsion in faith. May Allah enable us to strive for the causes of humankind and against in ourselves, in the society. Amin. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.